Hello everyone, welcome. Today's mini class is gonna be a bit more focused on balance. So I do encourage you to challenge yourself, but if at some point anything feels a little bit off or you start to feel a bit dizzy or weird in any shape or form, just please rest for a moment, take a breath, and then you can resume the movement. Okay, we're gonna start standing at the top of the mat. The feet are more or less hip width. Look at your toes for a second and spread them really nice and wide. Place them down on the ground. Relax the hands beside you. Good. Just take 1 second to notice how you distribute your weight on your feet. Maybe you're far back on your heels or rocked too far forward. So see if you can bring it through center. Good. And we're going to do here a few calf rises. And as you do them, notice if you sort of go a bit wobbly like this with the feet, try to keep the movement through the center, press down through the big toe. Just go up and down a few times. Remain nice and tall, but keep a soft stance. Good. And then next time we're gonna go all the way up onto the toes. We hold it here. Focus your eyes in a point in front of you. All the time, keep your eyes there as you nod the head up and down. Good. Notice if this shakes your balance a bit. Just do it a few times. Keeping the eyes always focused on the same spot. If you're seeing something else, it's because you moved your eyes. Good. Okay, bring the head forwards. Start to bend the knees. Sit back onto your chairs. Remain on your toes. Inhale to sweep the arms up. And then exhale, bring the hands down through heart center. Drop the heels down. Good. Lean over your right leg. Start to lengthen the left leg out to your warrior three. Spread the arms out to the sides. And circle the left ankle. As you circle that left ankle, start to open the left leg out towards the side. Keep the circle of the ankle towards the same direction. And then reverse the direction of the ankle as you bring the leg all the way back. Good. Once you're back into your warrior, bring your hands in prayer onto your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Start to bend the left knee. Squeeze it towards your right thigh, calf, and then slide the knee down to your ankle. Bring it up to your warrior three. Boom. Good. Let's do it again. Squeeze that knee towards your right calf and then slide it all the way down to your ankle. And then with a little bit of boom, back to your warrior. Wow. Good. The next time we're going to do the same, but this time we're going to slide it all the way and we place the shin down onto the mat. Lift the torso up. Good job. Now, put all your weight onto your left leg. Start to balance. You can use your arms sort of to counter here. And then bring that right knee towards your chest. Start to open it out towards your right. Lengthen that right leg behind you. Keep surfing here. Fold the torso slightly forward. Lengthen that right knee. And then place the right toes down on the mat. Pivot your left foot towards your left. And then open the hips and the chest towards your right. Good. Inhale, lengthen the arms up here. Bring the hands down through heart center. Start to lean your weight all the way down to your left leg. Lift that right foot up. And then bring the knee towards your chest. Start to turn all the way to the front of the mat. Step that right foot forward at the top of the mat. Pivot the left foot back. And then lengthen and come up to a high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, hands down through heart center. We're going to find a bit of a bounce here. We're going to step back, but bring in that right knee towards the chest. So let's go. A little bounce. Find some momentum and pa. Good. Sharp movements. Good. Grab hold of opposite elbows. I'll show from the front. And then start to open to the side. Good. Want you to sort of disturb your balance a little bit. Good. Just a few times. Go with the head as well. All right, good. Come through center. Relax the hands down. Kick out with that right leg. Strong to the quad. Start to bend the left knee. And then big step forward. Come back onto your warrior three. Okay. Let's do the following. We're going to find a bit of momentum and we're going to do a switcheroo with the legs in the air to a warrior three on the left leg. So, like so. Good, we change. One more. Find a little bounce and change. Good. Inhale. And then exhale. Come back to your chair. Sweep the arms up. And then lengthen up. Come to stand. Hands in prayer. Good job. Find a moment. Catch your breath. Grow tall up through the spine. Okay. We're going to come back to our calf rises. Just a few. Remember to see if you are going for this one. Try to keep it in the center. Press down through the big toes. Good. Okay. Next time we rock onto the toes, stay there. And this time we're going to fix the eyes on a point in front of us. And we're going to shake the head like we would be saying no. All the time, keeping the eyes on this fixed spot. Good. All right. Keep breathing in and out through the nose. Good. Come through center. Face forwards. Start to bend the knees. Sit back onto your chair. Stay onto your toes. Sweep the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Hands down through heart center. Drop the heels down. Okay. Lean over your left leg. Start to lengthen the right leg all the way to the back. To warrior 3. Lengthen the arms to the side. Start to circle the ankle as you open the leg out. Try to keep the circle of the ankle all the time to the same direction first. And then reverse the direction of the circle. Bring the leg back. Good. Warrior 3. Pointy toes. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze the right knee towards the left calf. Slide it down to the ankle. Come back with a bit of oomph. Warrior 3. One more. Squeeze the knee to the calf. Slide it down. Come up. Boom. Good. The next time, we're going to squeeze it all the way down, down, down. And then we place the shin on the mat. Lean your weight towards your right leg. Start to bring the left knee to the chest. Open it out to the sides. Good. And then lengthen back. Fold forward slightly. Surf for a moment here. And then place the left toes onto the mat. Pivot your right foot towards your right. And then open the hips and the chest towards the left. Lengthen the arms out. Inhale. Exhale. Start to lean your weight towards that right leg. Lift that left foot off. Ooh. Bend the knee. Bring it towards your chest. And then step it at the top of the mat. The toes are facing the front. Pivot the back foot towards the back of the mat. Inhale. Come to high lunge. Exhale. Hands down through heart center. Give me that little bounce. We're going to step back. Left knee to chest. Let's go. Whoosh. Good. Sharp move. Elbows. Grab hold of opposite elbows. Start to open. Side to side. Notice how my standing leg remains grounding. Good. I want you to disturb your balance. Go for it. Challenge it. Good. And then let the head go as well. Notice what your eyes do. Okay. Come through center. Relax the arms down. Kick out with that left leg. Strong to the quads. Start to bend the right knee. Big step forward. Come back to your warrior 3. Are you ready for the little switcheroo? So let's go. Find a bit of momentum. Whoosh. Woo. Let's go. One more. Find a bit of momentum. Whoosh. Good. Okay, inhale here. Exhale. Bring that right foot to meet the left. Sweep the arms up. Chair pose. Exhale. Come all the way up to stand. Good job. Okay, last thing. We're going to rock onto the toes. This time we're going to try to close the eyes. Good. And then exhale, drop the heels down. Good job, sweep the arms up. And then exhale, fold over the legs. Relax the crown of the head down. Nice. Inhale, hands onto your knees, lengthen the spine. Heel toe your feet a little bit wider. Turn the toes out to the side. Start to sit back to your malasana. Elbows to the inside of your knees. Inhale to lengthen up. Exhale as we round. Bring the hands forwards and away. Relax the chin down. Good. Okay, come to lift your head. Heel toe your feet a little bit more towards you. Rock towards each other. Rock onto your toes and then drop your knees forwards. Cross your ankles and then sit back on your bum. Good job. Maybe you walk a little bit to the center of the mat with your bum and then lean towards the back. Squeeze the knees towards the chest. Good. Lengthen the legs away. Tuck your chin. Round the spine. Squeeze your abs. And then roll towards your left leg. Stay always on your left side and then squeeze the knees towards the chest. Lengthen away and then roll all the way to your right side. Squeeze the knees. You're on your right butt cheek. Lengthen away. Squeeze the knees together. Squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them. Lengthen them away. Inhale. And then exhale. Fully rest on the floor. Good. Take one inhale. Side it out. Good. Bring the knees towards your chest. Bring the hands behind your knees. And then start to rock yourself. Really rounded spine. Rock forwards and back. Good. And then on the next one, we're going to go all the way up to stand. Find momentum. Open the knees to the sides. Boom. We come up to standing. Good job. Once you're there, bring one hand on top of each other at the center of your chest. Take a soft inhale through the nose. Side it out. Good job, team. Remember that you can loop this and repeat it as many times as you want. I hope you have fun. I hope you wobble. I hope your balance gets amazing. And I will see you on the next one.